Finally, we want to look at an example of using systems of linear inequalities to solve real-world problems. So the problem we're looking at is you have at most 8 hours to spend at the mall and at the beach. You want to spend at least 2 hours at the mall and more than 4 hours at the beach. Write and graph a system that represents the situation. How much time can you spend at each location? Right. So the two things I don't know, how much time at each location. So I'm going to pick letters to represent those. Right. We're going to say let x equal the number of hours at the beach. Oh, we'll go mall first. At the mall. And y is the number of hours at the beach. And then I went ahead and labeled those right away on my graph as well. I have different inequalities that I need to look at. It gave me a total number of hours, right? So that means I know one inequality is that the hours at the mall plus the hours at the beach have to be at most 8 hours, means, well, it can't be more than that, so it needs to be less than or equal to 8 hours, right? If I go to graph that right away, I have to get y by itself. So y is less than or equal to negative x plus 8. I start at 8, and I go down 1 and to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1. Right? I know it's a solid line, and I want to shade below that line. So anything down below the purple line. I have another inequality that talks just about the time I can spend at the mall. At least 2 hours at the mall. So x, my mall hours, has to be greater than or equal to 2. Right? At least 2 hours. So I graph where x is 2. That ends up being that vertical line, and I want all of the things greater than or equal to 2. So I connect those points and say anything. Well, maybe I don't even have to look and say I'm going to put dots up here because I know that wasn't part of the purple ones, right? But I could. Right? And then another line that talks just about more than 4 hours at the beach. So my beach hours have to be greater than 4. Right? So that means I'm going to have a dashed line where y is 4. Right? And I want it to be greater than 4, so above 4 would be anything up here. This time I see that there is one section that has all 3 colors. And that's this little section right in here. Right? So how much time can we spend at each location? Right? Means what is a point? Right? It didn't ask me for like every possibility. I couldn't even write out every possibility because of minutes and seconds and everything else. But I want to find at least one option. What is one thing that would be an option? Well, remember, it can be on the purple and blue lines, but not on the green line. Right? Or it could just be something within that section. So we can pick any of those values. I am going to pick this amount right here. Right on where the purple and blue line intersect, and say I could spend, that's where the number of mall hours was 2, and the number of beach hours was 6. There are also other options that would be true things, right? I could spend 2 hours at the mall and 5 hours at the beach. That would be this point. Or 2.5 hours at the mall and 5 hours at the beach, right? Any of the things in the shaded area or on solid lines. So see if you could try one more example of a real-world problem.